It's got an interesting layout. You enter the house into the living room, and just to the left is a small room that could be a third bedroom or an office. And then at the back of the living room is the entrance to the dining room. In the back of the dining room is the bathroom, and next to that is the kitchen and adjoining laundry room. The staircase to the second floor is actually in the kitchen, and there are 2 bedrooms upstairs. So I think it's a decent investment at $11,000, and it's 1,400 square feet, and like I said, 2 bed, 1 bath.
That's not bad.
No, it's super cute. Cute little porch. And the vinyl's in good shape. We might be able to save this siding.
All right, let's check out the inside. All right.
So we're in a living room.
Yes.
Walking in, this has beige carpeting and nothing really to recommend it.
Very beige.
And we have an itty bitty tiny room over here.
Mm-hmm.
That is going to be a bedroom?
Office?
Office?
Maybe this will be an office, or in this neighborhood, maybe it's some kind of creative space for an artist. So the stairs go up behind that wall.
Right, I can see that the stairs go there, so make that the staircase access.
Yeah, so a little office, staircase access.
Okay.
And then straight through the living room is the dining room. So the walls are good.
Yeah.
The trim's good, so I think we can keep a lot of that.
Yeah. That's a weird place for a bathroom.
It needs some love for sure. But where the plumbing is set and everything makes sense. I think my biggest concern right now is the kitchen.
Let me see. What do we got?
It's got so many windows and openings, it's not wildly functional. You've got this refrigerator floating in the middle of the space. Let's check out the basement. Dip sideways.
Yeah.
You don't have the right shoes on, and neither do I.
Well, the foundation looks good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
What's actively dripping?
I can hear it. Let me see. Oh, no.
What?
That's just the water meter dripping.
Okay. Like this is an ongoing
This is a
problem.
regular thing.
Come this way.
All right.
Let's go to the second floor and look at the bedrooms. A split level house is when you walk in and you can go like half a story up and half a story down. And the second floor of this house is kind of a split level. You walk up the stairs and you can go directly into one bedroom, or you can go down 2 steps into another bedroom, which it makes it kind of cozy. In terms of construction, this house isn't bad. We need to fix the leak in the basement, and we will not be creating a fish farm. On the main floor, we'll rebuild the staircase so that the steps aren't so steep. Upstairs, we need to build a closet for the upper bedroom, and outside, we need to spruce things up with new paint and landscaping. So what we need to do is do some investigating when we do demo to really finalize what our thoughts are. This one was $11,000. I think we need to keep our budget still around that $100,000 all-in price point.
Uh-huh.
I think we can end up with about $120,000 reasonable value for the house.
Okay.
So market's just tough. I mean, there's houses that sell right by Garfield Park for $300,000, but we're 4 blocks off.
Right.
We just got to figure out what's all of the answers.
Yeah.
The boys need to know that because of a multitude of reasons, our budget is very small on this. So we are not doing nearly as much demo as we typically do. So we're gutting the whole kitchen, we're gutting the whole bathroom, we're taking up all the floors to whatever ends up being the base layer, and then stop.
Now that we finished demo, Mom and I can focus on a floor plan. Okay, this is one of our Nelson houses over by the park. This one, the biggest change I think is gonna be super cool is when you walk in, we're gonna make this space to the left the office, and then you're gonna have an up and down staircase. Oh. So you could go up over to the kitchen, but these both lead up to the second floor. Yeah.
I like the up and
it's
down.
gonna be cute.
That's a great idea.
Yeah. We're keeping the bathroom, kitchen, and laundry room where they are, so that's gonna save us a lot of money by not having to move any plumbing. And we're not doing much upstairs except adding a closet to one of the bedrooms, but obviously we'll give each room a fresh new look.
This floor is awesome. Light's gonna hit it, it's gonna reflect it. It's gonna be gorgeous.
Mom and Dad have installed our whitewashed vinyl flooring on the first floor. We chose to lay it in a diagonal pattern to tie into the geometric theme that we're doing for this boho-inspired artist house. In the kitchen, our white cabinets are in, as well as our unique pattern backsplash, which will also give the kitchen that eclectic boho vibe. Originally, Mom wanted to put some polycarbonate sheeting on this wall, but instead we decided to just expose the studs. And today, Mom, Corey, and MJ have one last project to add some shelving to the deconstructed wall.
Hell yeah.
There we go. That's the center. Okay, so I'm gonna take these home. I'm gonna put plants in them. I'm gonna bring them back.
Perfect.
There's gonna be a little custom moment on each shelf.
The shelves kind of frame everything, so you can work with a lot of different heights. On to the next one.
We're just about done at our boho-inspired artist house. Landscaping is going in, and today we're bringing in furniture and adding all of those last-minute touches before we put it on the market.
What are we doing with this?
It's a throw, you throw it.
Behind the pillow a little?
Yeah, behind the pillow. To play up the boho vibe, we brought in warm leather accents with geometric patterns and plenty of color and texture.
You go. Right there. Voila.
Tomorrow, we're showing the house to Kiela, a singer-songwriter who wants to move to Garfield Park.
I'm Kiela, and I'm coming to look at the house.
So you've only seen inside pictures of before the renovation, which were not like super exciting, right? Well, this is the new outside. So we freshened all that up, some nice, simple foundation plans, got a new railing, because there wasn't one on there before, and then board and batten the front, which I think just makes it look a little bit more.
Yeah, I like the railing. That's really cute.
And
You wanna go inside? You're gonna be like, okay, done. Let me sign right now.
And it's air conditioned
Yes,
inside.
come on.
Well, amen. I'm excited. This is so nice. Oh my God, this is so pretty.
It was pretty dark before. We really wanted to be able to get some more of the front light through, but there was a fairly small budget for the house.
This is so pretty.
Along with the diagonal floors, like everything in the house has a lot of geometric patterns with it. So the rug, the curtains, you'll kind of see that pulled throughout, and we've got some of that in the bathroom.
I'm excited. Oh my goodness.
And now she's gonna make you sing.
Okay. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Do you see the goosebumps?
Oh,
You give
That
me
was
goosebumps.
lovely for not being prepared. Oh my God, amazing. We put you on the spot, thank you.
I was a little nervous.
But when you said I was lost, now I'm found, it feels like you're home.
Yes.
So there's still 3 really cute spaces to see, and the kitchen's next, and it's really pretty.
I'm excited.
Come on. Ta-da! This was the arrangement, but it was like that medium oak. And it made sense. Like the sink made sense there, the stove made sense there. We just replaced everything. And because it is more closed off than a lot of the kitchens we do, we kept it really light and bright with the white cabinets and did like the funky geometric tile.
I really love the tile.
Which could be kind of a lot. I was a little bit worried, but I think because there's so much white, it works.
This works.
Perfect.
I'm here for it.
Perfect.
You want to see your bedroom?
Yeah, your bedroom's really pretty and it's gonna seal the deal.
Okay, I'm excited. This is so beautiful.
The floors are just distressed. Like we uncovered them and they were just cool, so we left them.
Yes, I really.
So what I wanted to do when we first came in here, because we knew this was going to be for an artist, was to paint the floor. But after we sanded them to get it ready, they looked so nice. So we spatter painted a canvas instead.
Oh my gosh. I really like
The lamb.
Yeah, that's really cute. It's different. It's
Yeah.
me.
Yeah.
Hey, Lynn.
All right, let's go sit down in the living room and we'll kind of talk through everything.
Okay.
Now we have a 2-bedroom, 1 bath with your kind of bonus space. And I know you're sold, but you've got some conversations to have with your family still, so.
Yes, I'm gonna be like, we need to move in today.
So the purchase price of this house was $11,000, and we wanted to keep construction costs all in with the price of the house under $100,000. Kiela is still considering it, and in the meantime, we're looking for that perfect person to call it home.
There's something that's gonna get your creative juices flowing.